So in this video, we are continuing our previous discussion and let's remove all the lines we have drawn unnecessarily, and we shall be only keeping the support and resistance lines. So this is our current market price. So this is the significant resistance. We need to move the resistance to the high of the entire zone here. And as you can see, this was the resistance because of this zone, and it got broken and it again came back. And also, if you notice, or if you can tell that, see, this one can be considered as a good resistance zone, but again this candle got broken, so we need to also delete this line. So let's move this line to here. So right now it is moving like this. Now we have two choices. Either we can bet that it will break down like this, or we can bet that it will move up like this and again trade in this zone. So let's do both. But in this strategy, we are only discussing about the mean reversions one. So we shall be only discussing that what happens if the market keeps ranging. So that is the strategy one. So we shall be keeping the entry here, and we shall be keeping our exit at this point. This is our stop loss, and we shall be keeping our target at this point. Sorry, this line. Let's move it slight more down because let's touch this body as well as this candle. Let's see what happens next. It triggered in the next day. It's moving like that. It started, and we can just argue that it is trying to resist this point, but we cannot draw resistance, right? See, yeah, it broke again. Now we shall be moving our stop loss because it is a significant move, right? So we need to move our stop loss to our entry point to protect our capital. Now it is moving like this, but we are not changing anything. So similarly, like this one, we can also draw like this, and we can also move the stop losses like that. Again, it varies from user to user. Now it is moving like this, and again going up like that. So if we draw like this, let me use some other color so that you can see. Green is a very bad color, but let's do that. Yeah, it moved up like here, and it again went up like that. So we shall be moving our stop loss to this area. Now this is our entry point. Okay, so in the first case, we have moved our stop loss from the above the support, which was, it was below the support, and the next step we are moving above the entry point, and it is purely based on that where the candles are landing. Now let's go more. Now it is moving up like this, and it is approaching our target. It is consolidating here, so we are not moving our stop loss or doing anything. See, now it is a very big candle. Let's see if our target is getting hit or not. Sorry, yeah, our target is getting hit. See, it just went up and went to get to hit our target. Now if some cases the target, it went up like that and again came down, you have two choices. Either you can just exit it, or you can, because see, when it moves up like that, the next step will be the shortest will come here and they will bet that this will again come down like this. So you need to exit at that point. Otherwise you can just move your stop loss to this point and see what happens next. Okay, so anyways, our target is hit. We are just talking about if what happens if you move the target slight above accidentally. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it will be hitting the trailing stop loss, but still we will be making some profit here. So that's all. In this strategy, we have learned that how to trade the support and resistance in a consolidating zone. So we have seen a sell case in the previous video. In this case, we have talked about the buy case. That's all.